red, red.
Stenslin, the new CEO. He'll want to put a face with your name.
How do you know?
Because Robert's a tightwad.
Tightwad, tightwad.
Because Robert's a tightwad. And this is my new associate, Mike Ross.
It's just a kid. You're trying to steal his soul before he hits puberty.
Puberty, puberty.
You're trying to steal his soul before he hits puberty.
Both of which poised the company to be strong for years. I was always straight with you about that.
Sophisticated words for a guy who screwed us.
Sophisticate, sophisticate.
Sophisticated words for a guy who screwed us.
Okay, what are the terms?
Okay, I have no idea what you're talking about.
Named lessee.
Lessee. Lessee.
Named lessee. To me. Look, I made a bet that this company would grow and my billables would grow with it. We're holding a pair of ace.
Ace, ace.
We're holding a pair of ace. What good does that do me?
What? It's 7:50.
Stammer, stammer.
Yeah, neither is the Yankees batting order, but that doesn't stop me from thinking about it.
Harvey, promise me you won't be cocky.
Cocky, cocky.
Harvey, promise me you won't be cocky.
Ron, where did you go for your rookie dinner?
I came into the league a sophomore, and you better not be prioritizing that.
Prioritize, prioritize.
And you better not be prioritizing that.
It's right here. What are you so irritated about?
I spent a day with a top headhunter I know.
Headhunter, headhunter.
I spent a day with a top headhunter I know.
And don't misunderstand me. When I say the view, I'm referring to your face.
That's funny because I'm hideous.
Hideous, hideous.
Face.
That's funny because I'm hideous. I'm talking to myself.
Yeah, Grammy.
Grammy, Grammy.
Grammy. Lewis, what are you doing here?
Hi. Stenzel called. Apparently the diligence wasn't proceeding apace.
Apace, apace.
Apparently the diligence wasn't proceeding apace.
You mean the guy I suggested you go to in the first place?
Do you remember that whole getting it thing I was talking to you about?
Well, I can't even gloat.
Gloating.
Gloat, gloat.
Well, I can't even gloat. Gloating. Watching, just try to keep your expression neutral.
You know, they don't teach deceptive tactics right.
And you're gonna
Deceptive, deceptive.
The tactics right.
And you're gonna title
That I choose not to identify with.
you run the factory.
Which I never left because I have no taste for boardroom politics.
Politic, politic.
Because I have no taste for boardroom politics.
You've been here since day one. You know the product inside out. These workers, they respect you.
Phew, that's a lot of smoke.
Pew. Pew.
Smoke.
Chime. Chime.
And synergistic alliances moving forward.
You have to actually believe what you're saying.
They're just platitudes that don't mean anything.
Platitude. Platitude.
They're just platitudes that don't mean anything.
What's your engine design philosophy?
Perfectly balanced power and durability.
durability, durability,
Perfectly balanced power and durability.
Whoa, what is that?
Squid.
Squid. Squid.
What is that?
Squid.
Yourself. Is that what you came here to tell me? You've got real software clients, man. Stick to them. Jesus. You believe that crap?
G's. G's.
Them. Jesus. You believe that crap?
You're a member.
For your information, I didn't
Louis. Harvey, eye on the ball. The issue here is you tried to torpedo a client.
Torpedo. Torpedo.
The issue here is you tried to torpedo a client.
Not leaving it unfinished. What the hell do you want?
I'd be happy to tell you if you put that wrench.
wrench, wrench,
I'd be happy to tell you if you put that wrench.
Have no right to attend this meeting. Actually, we do. The bylaw states that any original employee.
Bylaw. Bylaw.
The bylaw states that any original employee. Now, I can tell you that this offer will keep manufacturing here and save jobs while retaining the flagship engine that put
Flagship. Flagship.
jobs while retaining the flagship engine that put.
There might have been some gluten in the ravioli.
Gluten. Gluten.
There might have been some gluten in the ravioli.